Sometimes we worry too much about people who don't give a fuck about us. We stress ourselves about people who don't care about us. We don't even sleep because of people who don't care about us. But let me tell you this. If they want to walk away out of your life, if someone wants to walk away, let them walk. Let them walk. Let them go. If they want to go, let them go. Your life is not tied to them. Your destiny is not tied to them. It says their part in your story is over. Their part in your story is over. Don't stress about people who don't give a shit about you. Don't even stress about people who don't give a fuck about you. Get some sleep. Sleep. And forget about people who don't give a fuck about you. You give a fuck too much. You care too much. You give shit too much. But this is a time whereby you don't have to worry yourself about those who don't care about yourself. This is a time whereby you don't have to care about those who don't give a fuck about you. This is the time whereby you don't have to care about those who don't even give a fuck about you. This is your life, remember. You care too much. You care too much about people who don't even give a shit about you. Thank you.